Hey y'all, how you doing? Today's the day after Christmas, 2024. Hope you all had a good Christmas season and got what you wanted from Santa. This year I got a new thermostat for the motorhome. We currently have the Dometic 10 button thermostat. Runs 2 zones in the motorhome, and it's a good thermostat. I like it, but what I don't like about it is you have to come to the thermostat to see what the indoor temperature is. You have to come to it to change the temperature, to push the buttons. It's not user friendly. So I bought did a lot of research online, and what I found was the MicroAir Easy Touch RV wireless thermostat, and we're going to hook that up today. It's very simple to hook up. It's basically just the hardest part is taking it off and screwing it onto the wall. It's just a phone jack to plug it in. But with the new MicroAir, it's got an app on your phone. It's wireless. It's Bluetooth. I think it's Bluetooth. Yeah. But you got an app on your phone. You can control it from your phone, from your bed. So if you're away from your motorhome, you want to see what the temperature is, you can just look on your phone and make sure your air conditioners are working, make sure the rig is nice and comfortable for your pets or whatever. If you're laying in bed at night and you get too hot, you can just from your bed use your phone and turn it down. You don't have to get out of bed, come up and adjust the temperature. The biggest thing though is just being away from the rig and being able to monitor the indoor temperature of the rig, because we do that sometimes. We'll leave the rig in a place where it freezes, and you want to make sure the furnaces are on and kind of take away that worry. So today we're going to install the MicroAir, our Easy Touch RV thermostat. So the first thing you have to do is turn your thermostat off, I guess. So it's off, and then you just use a Leatherman tool, and there's a tab down here. You pop it off that easy, and on the back is just a phone jack. So you just unplug your phone jack. I have a Dometic thermostat for sale if anyone wants it. So we got that off. Now I'm gonna have to take off the backing plate. And there you have it. This one's off. So the new thermostat, I also bought an optional backing plate, because I measured the screws and it was not gonna, let me see if it's how it reaches. So this is the MicroAir, this is the new thermostat. Yeah, so if I just put it up there, I'm gonna have 4 screw holes showing. So when you buy them, they sell a backing plate that we'll put up. And that'll cover everything. Yep. And then this will mount right in there. So that'll be the new system. So let's get to that. Let's put that up. So we're putting the new backing plate on. Get it nice and level. Show the level bubble. That looks pretty good, huh? All right, let's start with one. So this kit comes with all the mounting hardware you need, which is basically just 4 little countersunk screws. I should have got a screwdriver when I was out getting my drill. So I was going to use 3M. I saw another guy on the YouTube University use 3M command strips to hold this up. So that is an option. But as much traveling as we do and as much bouncing around as this takes, I thought we should screw it in.
For an angle.
All right, there we go. All right. Now we plug it in. Simple as can be. And then you gotta snap it in. Ooh. And it's on.
Wow.
That looks cool. All right, got it snapped on. So do you guys leave the plastic on or do you take it off?
And who gets to take the plastic off?
Yeah.
You did because you installed it.
I don't know. I might want to leave it on, you know. It's pretty cool. All right. It's on. So it's on. I can already see that it's connected. It's on. It sees a Wi-Fi. So now I got to go through all the programming. I'm not sure how to program it, but well, it seems like it's your basic home RV. God, it's solid. I like it. I like the look of it. So we'll go into the settings screen.
All right.
Okay. So we were hooked up to Wi-Fi. We were hooked up to Bluetooth. It's as simple as that, guys. Just you plug it in and it already works because it just works. You just plug it in. There's no only programming you have to do is the Wi-Fi password. That's pretty much all you have to put in, because when you order them, you tell them what kind of thermostat you had, and in this case we had a Dometic thermostat. It's a direct replacement. I have 2 air conditioners and hydronic heating for the furnace, and it hooked all up and it knows that. So on the now I even have outside weather, and I think that might be coming from the Wi-Fi, which is cool, or an outside sensor. I'm not sure, but man, it's the best RV thermostat we could find. And we wanted something to monitor our indoor temperatures when we're away from the rig. So
what's the app look like?
there you have it. The app is very cool. It's simple.
Go out and come back in.
Okay. So you just click on the app. Here's my watchdog that I just did a couple videos ago. Just click on the app. We call it, our rig's name is Limbo, so Limbo Thermostat. Come in, we're doing it via Wi-Fi. You can do it via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's currently 52 degrees outside. The thermostat set at, or it's currently 73 in here, but it's set to 70. It's simple. So I think this is the best Wi-Fi. I mean, the other one was good, but it was like 1960s good. There's no fancy stuff to it. You had to come up to the thermostat to operate it, to press the buttons. This one it's just a new programmable. It's like a Nest or an Ecobee or any of those other indoor thermostats that are completely programmable and Wi-Fi and can control from anywhere. I'm very happy. We're very excited. So that's the MicroAir Easy Touch RV thermostat. I mean, it's as simple as that. You plug it in. It's a phone jack. It cost about, I think it's $225, give or take. Then you have to buy the extra little sheet or pad that I did. It works great. Of course I just put it in, so I don't have any long-term stuff. But let me know if you guys like it, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll contact you, I'll reply. If you have any questions, or if you have this and you like it, let me know. Thanks. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys.